Okay, in another section, the VIP car corral. What we're looking at here is a 1970 Mustang 428 Super Cobra Jet 4-speed car. This car comes with a lot of documentation. And one of the pieces of documentation is a Marty report. Gotta love a Marty report. Can't BS beyond that. So let's take a look at this one. Of the 1,991, 522 1970 Mustangs, 46,000 and change were two-door sport roofs. 496 of those came with a 428 four-barrel Cobra Jet Ram Air engine. And of those, 249 had a 4-speed close ratio transmission. 10 of them were painted black. And out of those 10, 4 had black vinyl standard bucket seats, and of those, 1 was equipped with drag pack. This particular Mustang, this 1970 428 Super Cobra Jet, has been documented down to a 1 of 1. See if we get a quick look at the interior. And look at the roof line. Let's walk around to the other side. Oh, by the way, the paint on this car is a mile deep. Here's a look from the front. That blackout treatment is very, very nicely applied. Take a close look at this car. It is not considered white. It is a 1970 Boss 429 car. As previously stated, they made Boss 429 cars in 1969 and 1970. This color is called pastel blue, and it certainly does have a blue tinge to it. Very, very nice car. They're announcing that the show is over for the evening, so I got to move along a little bit. Mustang convertible, Shelby 428, a W30 Olds 442 with the proper red fender skirts. '69 GTO Judge. Sign says that this car is offered for sale. 1970 Chevelle SS 396. This car is also for sale. It's a 350 horse, 4-speed, an M21, 331 gear in the rear with factory air. Car was born green, code 48, with a white vinyl top. It's been painted black. Car was originally a parchment interior car. So really the only thing that's been changed is the vinyl roof has been removed and the car color has been changed from green to black. This car's very straight, very nice gaps, very nice paint, and it is offered for sale. And here's the place that is selling it. The Muscle Car Factory. They did the restoration work on the car. Give them a call. Area code 308-440-6579. All right, let's make fun of them. You're going to buy a Chevy from a company that has 440 in their phone number. And we all know where the 440 comes from. This is a really nice car. And here's that blue Chevelle that we looked at previously with 6-piston calipers all the way around. Now the hood is open, so we can see what is actually under here. It's an LS7 with a 2.9 liter Whipple supercharger. And it says that this car is for sale. Lots of detail under the hood of this car. So the LS7 is a 427 cubic inch LS engine. This one with the supercharger, dynoed at 991 horsepower and 879 pound-feet of torque. It's got a Dart LS7 block. Not surprised at the aftermarket block at all, considering the horsepower. It's got a Dana 60 posi rear end with 354 gear ratio. It's got an Art Morrison chassis, JRI coilovers, chipped Foose wheels, 18s in the front, 19s in the rear. I'm reading things out. I should just video this list here, so anybody that's interested in buying this car can read all about it right here. This is a very, very well built car. That list of hardware is second to none. Wheel offset is proper front and rear. Got some good meats in the rear. This car probably hooks quite well. And here is a 1974 Trans Am. This should be the Super Duty 455 that I mentioned in a previous video when comparing the front end of a 73. There you go, 1974 Super Duty 455. And there's the front end, which is very different than the 70.5 to 73. Another very, very nice car.